Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Niala and I'm the face behind Niala's Creation. If you're new here, welcome. Please do subscribe. If you're old here, thank you for always watching. Thank you for all your comments. Thank you for your suggestion. So I was wearing this look on the product empty video I put up sometime last week, and I asked if you guys wanted a video tutorial on this look, and I got a couple of positive response, and I decided to put up this video on my channel. So if you want to see how I create this look, please keep watching and don't go anywhere. so I already did my eyebrows off camera, and I'm going to be starting off with this Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be taking the burnt orange shade in the palette and a little bit of dark brown shade, and I'm going to be using this as a transition color above my crease line. So using a fluffy blending brush, I got this brush from a 10-piece kabuki brush set I bought off on Jumia. So I'm still blending in there, blend. Going in with this fair gold eyeshadow primer, I'm going to be using an angle brush to apply my eyeshadow primer this time, instead of using a small buffing brush or a small blending brush for it. So I'm just making sure the eyeshadow primer gets to all the places where I need to apply eyeshadow. Taking this light pink color from this romantic eyeshadow palette. I got this palette for 700 naira in the market. I've had this palette for over 2 years now, and I just like the way the color, I just love the colors on the palette and how pigmented they are, even though it's really cheap. So I'm taking this other dark pink shade, I think this is the Frugal Pink, blending it in with the light pink shade I used initially. So just patting them on my lid. Going in with this black color, I'm going to be using this to cut out my outer corners, the outer corners of my eye. And I'm doing this with a small smudge brush. I'm extending it all the way to the middle part of my crease line. Going in back with that blending brush, I'm going to be blending everything all together. But I think I dipped the blending brush into the dark brown shade and a little bit of the burnt orange, just to soften out that black I used around my crease line. So to clean out eyeshadow fallout, I did the other eyes off camera. I'm using a baby wipe to clean off eyeshadow fallout. My eyeliner is a gel eyeliner. I'm trying to remember the name. I think it's Carite. I got this in the market as well for 500 naira. So using the Dove angle brush that it came with, I'm using this to do a little wing and to line my eyes as well. So I'm going to go into tight line my waterline. I really don't like so much black underneath my eye, unless I want to go like extra dramatic. This lashes is from Kylie Cosmetics. I got this in the market. Like I said, I'm going to try and put up a video on how to fix lashes. You all know the drill. My primer is from Fair Gold, and I did my foundation and my highlights and contour routine off camera. I actually have the Fair Gold setting powder on my nose, on the highest point of my face as well. So using a powder from LA Girl, I'm using that to contour my nose. You all know the drill. I have a detailed highlights, foundation and contour routine down in my channel. I'm going to try as much as possible to drop the link below. My highlight is from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow palette, and it's in the shade Dark Glow. So I just need a little bit of pale color underneath my eye. So I'm going in with the dark brown shade and the burnt orange shade I used as my transition color under my eyes. I really don't want it to pop. hence I didn't use an eyeshadow primer under my eyes before applying it. Setting spray is from Kiss Beauty. It's the Fix It spray, and I'm just using it to set my entire face. So guys, this is the finished look. Guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do thumbs up if you like, and please subscribe and share with your friends. I'll see you all in my next video. Do have a fabulous day ahead. Bye guys.